a big question. I think you're right in that now we have available to us better treatments than we've ever had, but I also still think that mental health itself and the brain is still kind of our last frontier in medicine. I think we have really good ideas of cardiac things and lung functions and other organs in the body, and I think the brain still is, we still have a lot left to learn. We know a lot more than we did, but I think we still have a ways to go. You're right, women do tend to suffer from anxiety disorders more than men. Is that because of just inherent differences in women and men, the hormone differences, genetic differences? Is that because women present more than men to be diagnosed with those things? Mood disorders, you're going to have with bipolar disorder, it's about equal, but the way they present is a little bit different. Depression may be a little more in women. But, why is that? Is it women, or is it that we're the ones going in and being evaluated and being diagnosed? Is that what's happening? Also, there are lots of things that play into mental health issues that have nothing to do with medicine, that have nothing to do with drugs, that have everything to do with societal pressures of being a woman and social determinants of health that get in the way of people's mental health. I think in general, women are nurturers in generalities. And so I think what I see often is women putting everybody else's needs around them before their own. So then they're not going to their appointments because they have to make sure the kids have what they need, and is the spouse or significant other okay, or are they taking care of other relatives, parents, other children in the family that aren't their biological children? Do they have so many responsibilities that just the ability to get to the doctor, and not just, mental health, but physical health as well. They tend to ignore all these things. So I think that's a big one, is just the role that we tend to expect women to play in society, and how that gets in the way of them being able to care for themselves and have the permission to be broken without being seen as this over emotional crazy lady who, is difficult to deal with.